Today also a bunch of Barlerias. So this Barleria cristata comes in about 4 or 5 colors. This is one, white. The other Barleria is this one, this blue color, Barleria cristata. It becomes, all of them become nice bushes and they're perennial plants. And traditional uh, favorite of traditional gardens. So full flowering is there. It supports lot of butterflies and all. And very hard. It never gets any disease and anything. So that's the second Barleria. This is the third one, pink. This is also Barleria cristata only. It comes in a bunch of colors. This one Barleria. All the others don't have so many colors. And it has long flowering season from towards the end of monsoon all the way up to December, January and all. It will flower. So this is the, I think some 2 or 3 we covered already. This is the fourth one, Rhinitis. This is actually a herb of Ayurveda. And it is more thorny than the others, that cristata. Hardier also. It's called Vajradanti in Ayurveda, and it's an important one of our native herbal Barlerias. This is one more variation of Barleria cristata that is having 2 colors. So very attractive, nice flowers. That Barleria Prionitis comes in 2 versions. One is little more thorny and in harsher locations. One is little less thorny, that is in less harsher locations where the soil is good and all. So this is the second Barleria Prionitis. It has another name, but for all practical purposes it can be considered a variation of that Barleria Prionitis only. It's also a very beautiful plant, very beautiful flowers also. And it can be found growing wild. If you go out into the countryside, in undisturbed locations, farm borders and all, it occurs on its own. This is one more Barleria. This is a Barleria montanum, most probably. Or there is one more candidate that has similar looks. So little confusion is there about the name. But this is one more. This one has hardly any thorny features. And then the soft spreading kind of plant, and its important identification is this part. So this is Barleria montanum, or one more species is there. That little confusion is there regarding this. This is the last Barleria I am going to show today. That is Barleria strigosa. This is more commonly found in Western Ghats foothills, but grows quite well in all kind of places if it is if you manage to procure one plant. Hard to get. And it has very long flowering season. If you water it, it will flower for 6 months and all. It is also non-thorny and it becomes a bush. And this part is quite distinctive and attractive. This that flower pod and all. And the Barleria also is a very nice Barleria. It likes shade actually. It likes shade, moist places. All these plants, their natural location and all, I have done videos in situ and all. So people are interested can go and search in my YouTube channel. Then couple of more Barlerias I have left out. That is, they are not flowering. One is Barleria grandiflora. That is Dev Goranti. Then the other one is two more, Barleria Mysorensis and Barleria buxifolia. All I haven't sowed today, but I've sowed almost half a dozen Barlerias. And one more thing, Barleria is the center of diversity. Is one of the center is India. So we have lots and lots of Barlerias, hundreds of them. So in your own region, wherever you are in India, you can search for your own Barlerias also. For butterfly gardens and all, they were good and beautiful, nice plants. So that is about Barleria genus.